It's a real quick video for you guys trying to insulate your buses or vans. These blocks are free. They get shipped with trailers or truck equippers, and they put them underneath the axles and the tongues so they can ship them. And they usually have dozens of these free, and they can't get rid of them. So if you check out Facebook and whatnot, you'll see listings for these for free or $1 a piece as archery targets or whatever. I snatch them up whenever I can. I grab a trailer load at a time. I built this thing for cutting styrofoam. All it is a charger off a old laptop. I used one side to energize this prong, the other side to energize this prong. I can adjust these up and down to set the height of my foam, and this spring provides a little tension so that the wire doesn't sag too much. It does sag, but not too much. And very simple process, absolutely free insulation for your bus or van. And I will show you how easy it is. See, when you first start it, of course, it's going to slack a little bit. And I have mine set at 3 inches for the walls, or 3.5 inches for my floor of my bus. The wire's heating up hot. This is Kanthal wire. You can use other types of wire, but this was just cheap and readily available. And perfectly 3-inch piece of foam for my floor. Absolutely free insulation for my bus. Good luck, stay well.